everyone, I'm Amy and welcome back to My Crafty Home. Today's video is a tag video and it's called I Heart Fall. Yes, I love fall, but I'm not gonna lie, I am so sad to see summer go, but there are so many different things that fall brings that no other season does. So yes, there's absolutely tons of things to love about fall, and I will share that in the 10 questions that I have been given to talk about fall. Anyways, I would love to tag my friend Valerie. She has a channel called Face Foster Fire Life, and in her channel she talks all about foster care, adoption, homeschooling, and also being the wife of a firefighter. So God has definitely given her the gifting of all of those things, and she shares all of that in her videos. So if you would like to check out her channel, she shares an abundance of information and wants to share with you. And I highly recommend that you visit if you're interested in all of those topics. So with that being said, let me share my 10 questions about fall. So number one, it says, what is your favorite fall scent? So I have a few. I love apples, I love cinnamon, I love apple spice. I definitely love a candle in the room, and it just brings, I think, warmth, and especially if this smells good. And number two, it says, what's the best way to spend a rainy day? I won't lie, I'm definitely a fan of sweatpants and sweatshirts, and you can't beat a nice pair of cozy socks. I love socks. my husband hates my socks, but I love my socks. So that's my number one thing on a rainy day. Curl up and watch something mindless. Number three, what is your favorite fall drink? So I actually have this in my cupboard and it's absolutely one of my favorites. It is Trader Joe's Spicy Chai. I love this. I'll warm up some hot almond milk and put that right in and stir it up. It's just so cozy. Another drink that I really love is Trader Joe's apple cider. What I like to do is I like to cut up oranges and throw in a stick of cinnamon in a crock pot and just kind of let that simmer a little bit. And I'm telling you, this is like the best cider drink that you've ever had. So I highly recommend it. It's definitely my favorite. Number four, football, yay or nay? Nay. I don't like football. I wasn't raised with football. However, my boys and my husband love it, and I love seeing them debate and get into those sports games with the trading, and they love it. It's one of their favorite seasons. I'm sure they're sad when it goes, but the Super Bowl, I do like that. So I'll cook, and we can have some friends over and family over, and we'll spend some time, eating and sharing, and I do like that part of it. So yay, nay, I don't know. It's not my favorite. I wouldn't sit there and just watch a game. If it's a Patriots, I'll pop in once in a while. I'm from New England. Number five, what is your favorite fall clothing? Again, I love sweatshirts and sweatpants, and yeah, cozy. Cozy is the theme there. Number six, what are your favorite fall traditions? So I think the traditions are changing now. When the kids were small, I loved taking them apple picking and going to the farms, and there was one farm where we could make scarecrows. That was a tradition, a must do every fall. Now that the kids are getting bigger, we're not doing that anymore. We are having pumpkin carving nights, and I really look forward to that. We'll get some drinks, hot cider, and some finger foods, and just have like maybe a little competition. The kids love doing that, and I love watching them do that. So it's definitely a must, and I'm definitely looking forward to that night with my kids and my husband. Number seven, fall movies or books that you love. I don't know if there is a fall movie or a book. Is there a fall movie? I don't know. Number eight, what are your favorite fall foods? So I definitely love apple pie. I love pumpkin pie. I love the tradition Thanksgiving dinners. I don't like turkey, but I definitely love turnips. Turnips is a must-have pretty much at every holiday. And I love the smell of apple pie, so I will make a few apple pies during the season. One, which I will be making today. I will be going to an outing and I will be making a apple pie, and I will put that information down below, all the ingredients and the recipe down below. So stay tuned for an apple pie. Okay, so number 9, what are your favorite fall recipes? Well, like I said, I'm making an apple pie, and yes, that is one of my favorite recipes to share with others. It makes the house smell good, especially on a cold day. I definitely love a good warm apple pie. This brings us to the last question. What's your favorite thing about fall? So my favorite thing about fall is the scenic view. I love all the colors. I live in New England, so the leaves change. They're vibrant red and yellows and oranges and greens and yellows. It's just is fabulous sometimes when you're going down the highway and you're seeing all these colors. It's just breathtaking. And I love, probably most of all, the times that we spend together with family and friends. I love going to fairs and carnivals and visit the vendors and just things like that that you don't have during any other season. Well, there you have it, guys. 10 questions and my 10 answers to I Heart Fall. Well, this tag video has been really great. Thank you so much for listening and learning a little bit about me. What I'd love to hear more is about you guys. So if you guys are crafting and doing things, share it. We want to know. We want to hear and be inspired by you as well. So anyways, today has been fantastic. I hope you liked my apple pie as well. And we hope to see you in the next video, guys. Thanks. Bye.